Welcome to the channel, and this is Masterpiece Monday. It's something I do each and every single Monday. Show you a piece that I've been working on, something that I've completed, something I'm proud of, and yeah, we're going to talk through some of the processes and some of the tools I used to get there. Needless to say, my app of choice is Procreate, and the device I am on is iPad Pro 4th Gen with Apple Pencil Pro. Now, if you watch my channel, you know I love to draw skulls, but along with skulls, I love to draw gods and goddesses. I think they're fascinating. I don't know what it is. So much essence in these statuesque monuments. And yeah, I don't know what it is, the history behind it. I absolutely love it. So I jumped in and did my version of Medusa. I mean, it's pretty basic. I didn't really want to go for all the snake heads coming out. I really wanted to have it nice and subtle. So you can see across the top here, got a couple little snake loops coming out there. And I've also got some coming down around her neck as well. Overall, I really love this piece. It's taken about 14 hours. Let's have a look at the canvas information in here. Yeah, 14 hours and 55 minutes spent on this with 24,236 brush strokes. Now, here's a good example. Some of you out there may be thinking, that's a lot of brush strokes. Others may be thinking, that's not a lot of brush strokes to get the result you got. This is all completely relative. Whatever works for you. This was a piece I was completing in amongst two other pieces of art. One was a draw-off with a fellow artist here on YouTube, Midnight Reaper. Check him out and thank me later. And the other was a massive canvas that I'm painting because I got to get some prints made of this. So there was quite a bit going on, but in amongst that, I really wanted to push myself with the realism again and just have something on the side where I was jumping in and out of and just sketching away. In the end, I really love the end result of this. Didn't realize I was going to end up here with all the floral filigree elements on her face, but I'm really glad I did. I think it adds a little bit into this goddesque, my own take on it. And yeah, it's soft, it's using pastels, it's just very effective, and it's the way I like to draw. So let's have a little bit of a breakdown of what I did to get here. Now, this is just a background I found ages ago, and I like to put it behind my drawings while I sketch. I think having something other than straight white really helps when you are trying to sketch, and it breaks up having, that solid white, which cannot be super effective for many different types of artists out there. But anyway, the brushes I used, definitely always start, and you do a lot of work along the way with the soft pastel. Always my 6B pencil, because it is the best pencil out there to use in real life and in Procreate. And then always a soft brush. Always a soft brush. You've got to get some of that shading in there, but that's it. I came through with an initial sketch on the face here in a soft pastel with a really broad, mapping out of where I want things to be. If I bring down my layers here and I solo the very first one, you can see I've kind of just got that really basic, pastel layer there. No real shading on there. It's really just providing me the base of which I can then build some shading on after that. So yeah, a lot of layers in there. That one group has 8 different layers. Another group there has 5 different layers, and another group has about 8 or 9 layers again. So this whole thing is probably up around 20 different layers. And yeah, I really liked it. I think it was really effective. I ended up with a piece that I'm really proud of, and it kind of fits in with all my other artwork. And yeah, that's my piece for Masterpiece Mondays. I encourage you all to maybe do the same thing. Share your art, or maybe just give yourself a time frame on completing these pieces, because you never know where it's going to lead and what you can end up with in the end. Let me know what you think about my piece down in the comments below, because I always love to hear from you, and I'm definitely going to continue this going each and every Monday. Going to be sharing with you a brand new piece which I finished, and just some of the things that got me across the finish line with this piece. So yeah, I'm always super excited to share my artwork with you. I just create for me and just for the sake of creating, but I always love when I get to share these drawings with you. And I really want to encourage others out there to get on this fantastic app, or just draw in general. Piece of paper, pencil, see what you can create. That's going to do it for Masterpiece Mondays. Get out there, create, have some fun, and I'll catch you in the next video.